Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you some really simple techniques, really simple practices that'll help boost your internal energy. So when I say internal energy, I'm really referring to the stuff we call qi in Chinese, prana in yoga, and ki in the old Japanese ways. So we're going to be working with the human energy field. So this course is specifically or ideal for those people who are familiar with these terms already, are interested in things like yoga or Tai Chi and Qigong, because this will just be an add-on kind of informational add-on knowledge to that sort of skill set. However, if you've never done that stuff before, that's completely okay as well. If you just have an interest in learning more about this sort of stuff, then this course could really help you out. Because in this course, I'm going to talk about and focus on the three main primary energy centers of the body. And we're going to be using postures and practices in order to build the energy up into those areas, which will enhance so many things. So it's really, really good and very powerful effect on if you lack any physical energy, if you lack physical willpower, if you lack the ability to have that sense of courage. Confidence is a big one as well. And the ability to be sort of grounded and very sort of clear and focused. So that's just the qualities of one energy center. The next energy center is more about the heart space. So it's more about being able to connect with other people, being able to negotiate, being able to work with each other, and sort of having a sort of gentleness about you. So if there's any lacking in that area, I'm also going to show you how to work with that. And finally, the last energy center is in the head or the mind or the third eye. And this is the center of clear thinking, focus, concentration, great ideas. So if you find that those things are difficult in any way in your life, they impede the lack of focus, lack of clarity, lack of having good ideas, if they impede you in any way, then this course will help you, because I'm going to show you how to charge that energy center up so it becomes easier and easier for those capacities to come online. So my name is Michael, and I've been studying Chinese medicine and yoga for at least 10 years. And I've been teaching yoga and I've been practicing acupuncture. But these days I'm more of a writer, so I write books about this sort of stuff, and I'm more of a teacher because I find it's largely an educational model. So I find that the more people I can teach about the magic and the beauty and the power of qi and learning to work with qi and building your own energy. I think that we become more self-empowered. I think we become more confident, and I think we have a much greater capacity to heal ourselves. So it's kind of like self-healing as well. So become less dependent on outside energy sources or outside resources. So that's basically it from me. If any of this sounds really good to you, you're really interested in it, then I hope to see you inside the course where we can take it to the next stage. Thank you.